We're going through a very difficult time, a major transition, and of course the economy and people's lives are greatly affected. And what I've been seeing is that when people do come into therapy, the outside of their relationship, related to jobs, related to their finances, are really affecting the relationship and acting out more in that relationship. And of course the anxiety level, the stress level, is a lot higher than what I've seen in the past. Most of the clients I work with really are not using their emotions well. They're being used by their emotions instead of having the emotions as a valuable resource for them. There are many ways in which couples can use the M-wave in their personal lives. And one is, of course, when they are stressed, when they are emotionally aroused, they can use that to self-soothe. And that's done by taking a break. In fact, one of the things I for years have advised couples is that when they find themselves becoming upset and their heart rate's going up and they can feel the stress in their body, is to be able to take a time out. And usually that time out was to do something. Well, the M-wave becomes something that's very effective in that it does help to self-soothe them and to reconnect them back into some positive feelings and to reconnect in their relationship. A couple that I worked with, and they were a professional couple, and that the amount of disconnection and anger in the relationship was immediate upon the first session. And bringing in the M-wave tool allowed me to get them to focus on something besides what was going on with them, to calm themselves, and in that calm place being able to reach out and talk. There are so many areas in a relationship that need to be talked about, and today a lot of them are emotionally charged. So the ability to calm, soothe, reach your heart before you begin a conversation that has some charge to it. And the effect that has is your partner becomes really a safe port in the storm of life, and you begin to build that relationship that it's safe to come home and talk. The research that HeartMath has done with the M-wave on the power of appreciation to have a beneficial effect, but expressing that appreciation. And so one of the exercises that I advise couples is to be able to get together, to go into coherence, and to think about in that state what they really appreciate about their partner, and to give some of the details about that appreciation, and to be able to enhance the relationship, because successful relationships have a high amount of appreciation within them.